Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Firebase UI templates for app login. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Firebase UI templates for app login, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Firebase website by typing firebase.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on it to enter the Firebase console. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or Google account. After logging in, click on the Go to Console button. In the console, select the project where you want to use Firebase UI. If you don't have a project yet, create a new one by clicking on Add Project. Follow the prompts to set up your new Firebase project. Once the project is created, click on Authentication in the left sidebar. In the Authentication section, click on Get Started. Make sure to enable the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email/password or Google. Now, to access the Firebase UI templates, open a new tab in your browser. Go to the Firebase UI repository on GitHub by entering github.com/firebase/Firebase UI single quote. Once the page loads, locate the Releases section. Click on the most recent release to access the downloadable files. Scroll down to the Assets section. Look for the template file that suits your needs, such as Firebase UI web.zip for web applications. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. After downloading, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click the file and select Extract All to unzip it. Open the extracted folder to find the Firebase UI templates. You can now integrate these templates into your application. Follow the provided documentation for setup instructions in your specific platform. That's how you download Firebase UI templates for app login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.